Hi guys. Today, I am going to show you how to type French on iPhone and Android phone. The tutorial is very straightforward with following steps. Step 1. Download Google Keyboard from Play Store or App Store. Step 2. We'll explore how to customize the keyboard. Step 3. We'll start typing. Step 1. Go to Play Store or App Store. Search Google Keyboard by Google LLC. Download. Step 2. Go to Settings. Then go to Languages. Then select Languages. Select Add Keyboard. Search for French. Then select French for France. Select QWERTY keyboard layout, as it is more convenient to type English and French at the same time. You might disable multilingual typing option. You will find installed keyboard listed here. Step 3. Before start typing, you should change keyboard to type if you have more than one keyboards. Please select French for France to type. To change keyboard, please select global icon as shown in number 1. Don't worry about finding French accent when typing. Just type as plain word and use suggestion as shown in number 2. Done. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Have a nice day.